The philosophy of existentialism primarily emphasizes not only the meaninglessness, purposelessness, worthlessness of life, which is kind of inherent to it, because when we become reasonable, practical, and critically look at it, then it seems or appears to be utterly devoid of meaning and divorced from inherent purpose and automatic significance and natural ambition to it, all of which ultimately then can be created and developed by us as men and women. We can create and shape our own life and have our own meaning that we need, that we desire within ourselves. Alongside that, we can have the habits, goods, practices we can conduct for ourselves in one or another. So there is a fear of death, there is no apparent God, there is neither destiny nor predestined purpose, and there is no employment either, there is no purpose or meaning to life. So if all of those inherent indispensable faculties and conditions that are necessary for a happy, meaningful, worthy sort of life are already missing from it, then we can definitely have our own way forward. It is the playing field. We are allowed to play. We walk our path. We become the saint without the influence of God, without being a God. We can become our own masters, and we can have our own ambition. We can achieve our own individuality and live with it without societal interferences or religious interventions into us. So definitely we don't need religion, we don't need societal standards or public interventions to tell us who we are, to decide our destiny, future, or success. When we clearly have the power to shape all that, when we genuinely have the drive within ourselves, with the help of which we can create and develop our own meaning, purpose, God, etc. in one or another, and then also free ourselves from all the unnecessary anxieties and fears associated to life over death. When we take responsibility, because existentialism ultimately is about taking individual responsibility and performing it without distractions and becoming successful and living the best possible life, and basically the most meaningful, significant life also. It's neither about materials nor pleasures nor objects. It's about significance, it's about individuality that we have to learn to prioritize and become in one or another. So definitely the problems are there, but it's all achievable, it's all conquerable and overcomable.